Alright, this video is about how to clean your screen on a power steering pump for Tacomas, 1st gen Tacomas and 3rd gen 4Runners. First you gotta take it off, then just remove these 3 bolts, one here, 2 right here. And then it should just pop right off. Now this is where the screen is. Make sure you don't mess up this O-ring or anything. See if you can see the screen in here. This one you can barely see through it. You should be able to see light through there. You can use some brake cleaner. Spray it in there. Dump out all the water. Check it. You should be able to see some light in there. Now you can see it. Oh, that was solid. There we go. It's all clean. Just put her back on there. And you're done.